so well. Yeah.
เ you, Father Tama. Amoya people, we are together. Amoya people, congratulations to you.
Actually, our distinguished guests here who are here with us, most welcome, Father Tamati, Your Grace Bishop Simon Mann, and all the visitors who are here today, who came to witness the presence of one of our brothers, who is going to on his new appointment as a apostolic prefect in the Marshall Island. And this is an honor for me and a privilege to say a welcoming heartfelt words for you, the St. Joseph Parish as a whole, and on behalf of Father Kavita and our small community here, would like to welcome you all, especially for you, Father Tamati, as you are preparing for your new mission. And we also feel grateful. We feel also proud for you, because it says that we are in a communion of one heart and mission and the heart of Christ. And whatever endeavor that you have, your achievement that you have, we also part of it, because we feel that we are MSCs, we are brothers in one mission. And this is an honor for me to say those words, because we feel that our two brothers, you and Father Simon, are now on a new mission. And I want to thank you for your commitment. You're saying yes to the responsibility and commitment that you are going to undertake in your new life, in your journey as a priest and as an MSC. And we are so proud of it. And also a special thanks to all of you who are here, especially for what you have done, the preparation, especially what you can give for them of joy and a sign of support to our brothers who are here with us, and those who will be coming soon or later to be part of this community and to be part of this parish. We're also grateful and thankful for all the willingness, the dedication, and all the your support that you have shown us every year and every time we come here, especially to our brothers who are new here, those who come and go in this community. You also show respect to all of them. And I am so grateful and thankful to you for all your support and your love in your prayers, especially your prayers that can bring us together because of that faith that you have within you. You also feel that in that same way. And we thank God for everything. And also, once again, thank you, Father Tamati, for availing yourself. I know your visitation tonight, it's so special and unique for us because everyone knew about it, and we've been talking about it because they question what are we going to do, what kind of preparation are we going to have for tonight. But it's all happened in God's timing, and we can see tonight everything is possible because of all of you, because of all your faith that you have, and we're thankful for that. We once again welcome Father Tamati. We don't have much to give because what we can give all our praise and what we have, but it's a sign as a appreciation, a token of appreciation. I would like to welcome all those who have been assigned to do the taupe and to come forward, and please come and show your appreciation to Father Tamati and give what have been prepared for tonight. Thank you for that, and once again welcome to this community, and we'll enjoy our night, and God bless us all. Thank you. Hey.
In our MSC conference, the sisters who are here, blessing with you and working with the MSCs. And this evening, it is a great joy for me to return to Kiribati, to stop here before my way to Marshall Islands, and to visit many familiar faces, and especially my brothers and the sisters and all of us who are present here tonight. Very happy to see that the church in Kiribati is very much alive, especially here in our parish at Bikini Pit. The church is very much alive, the parish is very much alive, and I want to thank you sincerely to the people of God, to the parishioners, for working together with the priest, for working together with Bishop Simon Mani. Because I always say this, that you are not working for us, you are working with us together, sharing the same, cherishing, and the faith that God has entrusted to us. Accepting the responsibility to go to the Marshall Islands was not an easy thing for me. I know the Marshall Islands. I've been visited the Marshall Islands a few times, and I know the challenges are there, and some of the issues are facing by the church in the Marshall Islands. But I'm happy to go there because it is always good for me to remind me that I am a missionary and I need to share the love of God to the other people as well. So I hope and I pray with my own limited knowledge, my own limited gifts and talents, I hope and pray that I will bring a good impact to the life of the people or the church in the Marshall Islands. I joined the religious life, the MSCs, not so much because of homilies I've heard, not so much about the studies I engage with, but I joined religious life, I joined the MSCs because of the way the lives of our confreres lived, the example that they lived. I saw them. I saw the way they lived their life in the novitiate at that time. Some of the MSCs, my own novice master, and that's why I made up my mind to become missionaries of the Sacred Heart. So for this evening, I want to thank you, Bishop Simon Mani, for welcoming me here in Tarawa, in Kiribati, and all my brothers. It is so good to stop by, to have a place to stay on my way to Marshall Islands. I feel at home when I arrived this morning. So thank you sincerely, thank you to my brothers and the sisters and the people of God for your welcoming me here, and also for this celebration this evening. I wish you all the best on our journey throughout this year, and may God bless all of us as well. Thank you, and God bless us.
Believers and Marshall Islands share a long history of MSC and knowledge presence. I was part of the transition that took place in 2007 from the Jesuits to the MSCs. The MSCs were in the Marshall Islands before the war, and they were expelled, the Germans were expelled from the Marshall Islands, and then later on the Americans came in, the Jesuits. In 2007, there was a transition. Rome wanted the MSCs to go back to the Marshall Islands, and I was involved with all the negotiations and eventually the transition that took place from the Jesuits, Society of Jesus, to the MSCs. And the superior of the MSCs, I've visited Marshall Islands many, many times, and so has Father Tamati. And we both know the challenges of Marshall Islands. And each place is unique. They have their unique challenges, unique opportunities. The important thing is that as missionaries, our task is to be God's presence, and in our own MSC and Chevalier spirituality, to be the presence and the heart of God in wherever we find ourselves. I am glad that Father Tamati said yes, despite knowing the many challenges that's ahead of him. He's aware of those challenges, but I'm sure he's aware of God's hands on him and the work entrusted to him. And it is really not us, it's not our mission, it's God's mission. And we are all vessels, instruments to fulfill that mission of God. So I am glad that we here, the Diocese of Tarawa and Nauru, particularly here tonight in this parish, are together with Father Tamati as he makes this special stopover, this transit from here to Majuro. And we just want to assure you of our support and our prayers, and you will always have a space here, a room, and it's not far. Marshall Island is not far, and you'd always find home here. So please feel free to visit us anytime, or in any way we can be of support to you and your work in the Marshall Islands. Do not hesitate to call upon us, and you will find us of support and of help. I worked with Father Tamati very closely for many years in leadership, and I know his capabilities, his potential, and I know that he will do a splendid work in the Marshall Islands. The beginning is always challenging, as it was for me here. But I think once we put God at the center of what we do and who we are, then everything becomes possible. We begin to see how God works wonders when we surrender ourselves to Him. And that's my prayer and my wish for you, Father Tamati, as you embark on this journey, just even traveling from Samoa, Fiji, here, and going to Majuro on Friday. That itself is very symbolic, because to this year, Jubilee year, pilgrimage of hope, that's what we try to live out. We are always hopeful that God is with us and we are never alone, and God accompanies us on our journey, guiding us and leading us. So that's our wish and our prayer for you, and we stand ready to support you in whichever way we can. And as MSCs, I think it's a privilege for us that we have you in the Marshall Islands as the Prefect Apostolic. It's an important mission for us. shared between the Pacific province, Indonesian province, and the Philippines province. And I hope that you will be able to work through the challenges and also the opportunities that you will find in your new ministry. So thank you to brothers here in the parish and all the catechists and all the leaders, the sisters. Thank you very much for gathering here tonight to welcome Father Tamati and to assure him of our support and our prayers. Thank you for this MSC and the Chevalier sense of hospitality that we enjoy here tonight. Thank you, and may God bless you all.
Pasok po yung tupon. Boy.